Hi! In this lesson, we'll explore Roblox Studio. When you first open Roblox Studio on your computer, this window will appear. Here, you can do a few things. First, you can create a project by clicking on the New tab. You can create a project from scratch by choosing the base plate template. Or you can use one of the templates that Roblox has created for you. We'll mostly be using the base plate template in this course. You can also access saved Roblox projects by choosing the Recent tab. When you create a new base plate project, this is what you'll see. Now this is the light version. What you saw in the other screen was the dark version. We'll tell you how to customize your studio experience later in this lesson. What you see here is Roblox Studio and where all the magic happens. There's a lot going on here, so let's take a tour of the most important parts of Roblox Studio. I'm going to add a part or an object to help us see how everything works. Here you can see a pink rectangle part that has been added to our game. We'll start our tour with a 3D viewport. In this window, you will see all of the visual content of your experience. You can also move and transform objects here, which you'll learn about in the next lesson. Here we have the Explorer window. This window lists every object and service in your experience. You can think of this window like a group of folders or files on your computer. While this window may appear a little overwhelming at first, you'll get used to working with it quickly. The Workspace section of the Explorer window lists all of the game objects. The objects in this section match what you see in the 3D viewport. Next, we have the Properties window. This window enables you to see and change the properties of a selected object. Here, we've selected the pink prism, or the rectangle, and you can see some of the appearance characteristics, such as the color, material, and transparency. At the very bottom, we have a script analysis window. This window will be very helpful when we're debugging or fixing our code. The script analysis window will display an error message if it finds anything wrong with your code as you write it. And last but not least, we have the output window. You can see this window by clicking on the Output tab next to the Script Analysis tab. This window will display the output of your scripts, such as any print statements. This window is the same as the console in the CodeHS editor. Sometimes Roblox Studio may open without one of these windows showing. If you are looking for a window but don't see it, you could always go to the View tab. In the Show section, you can see all of the different windows and select the ones that you want to show. All right, well now you're ready to start coding in Roblox Studio.